Namaste. Babu-san. Today morning also, I have scheduled the class because now every day is a Sunday. But the students are under the mood that it is Sunday, that is why. No one attended the morning class, very few. Now it is continuation to the yesterday's class. We have taken a problem on the symmetric form, and I gave that problem as homework to the students. But today, very least, let us wait. Now it is already, I'm also late by almost 10 minutes. But no one is there online. Let us see that now. Continuation to yesterday's problems. We have seen this. Let me take the display capture. According to this, yesterday, what the problem we have taken? Let me discuss that first, so that the continuation is done. And I think it is not the JEE main level question, but surely it should be advanced question in single correct answer. It should be advanced question in single correct answer. Let us do that. Let us do that. I'll be doing that on the board itself. But let me write the data. There are 3 lines given. X plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. And another line is 2x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. And one more line is x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. And the line through A is intersecting these 3 lines in BCD. Then we have to find out 15 divided by AB. The condition given is 15 divided by AB whole square plus 10 divided by AC whole square. Is equal to 6 divided by AD whole square. This is the condition given. What is the point A given? Point A given to be minus 5 minus 4. Let us understand this clearly first. Let us understand the question clearly, and then we have to find out the equation of the line passing through A. Okay. Now, see the data. X plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. 2x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. X minus y minus 5 equal to 0. And A is minus 5 minus 4. The condition given is 15 by AB whole square plus 10 by AC whole square is equal to 6 by AD whole square. Using that condition, we have to find out the equation of the line passing through A. Equation of the line passing through A. Okay. Now, these are the three lines given. Let me say this is one line. This is another line. This is one more line. These are the three lines given. Approximately I have taken. Not exactly. Now, a line passing through, are they parallel lines? No, they are not parallel lines. Its slope is minus 1 by 3, its slope is minus 2, its slope is 1. So all the slopes are different. All the slopes are different and hence all the lines are non-parallel. Three lines are non-parallel. And of course, I don't think they are concurrent also. They are concurrent also, according to the problem given. Now, there is a point here. There is a point here which is A minus 5 minus 4. And the line passing through A is intersecting these three lines. The line passing through A is intersecting these three lines. Okay. Now, intersecting these three lines in B, this is C, and this is D. Intersecting these three lines in BCD. Now you have to find out AB here to substitute. You have to find out AC here to substitute. You have to find out AD here to substitute. This is what the question is. AB we don't know. AB we don't know. Let it be R1. Let it be R1. That is, let me say this as R1 please. Let me say this as R2. Let me say this as R3. R1, R2, R3 are the distances. What does it mean? AB is R1 and AC is R2. What I mean to say here, this is R1, this is R2, this is R3 I have taken. So now we know the point, we know the distance, we don't know theta. See the question, how tactically the question is framed and formed here. We know the fixed point on the line. We don't know the distance, we have taken it to be R1. We know the line through which this line is passing through, that is, it is intersecting at B. We know this line equation. Okay, now, you don't know theta because to apply the symmetric form, we have the formula x1 plus or minus r cos theta, y1 plus or minus r sin theta. X1 plus or minus r cos theta, y1 plus or minus r sin theta. In that one, r1 we have taken. And x1, y1 we know, but theta we don't know. Theta we don't know. Let us take theta now. Let us take theta. That means to find out theta only this condition is given. Remember that. To find out theta only this condition is given. What is theta? Inclination. If you know the inclination, you will be knowing the slope. After knowing the slope, you know the point. You know the point, you know the slope. You can write the line equation. Now, let me say, this is line equation 1. This one. This is 2. This is 3. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Now, let me create the point here. Let me create the point here. First point. B is equal to, I am creating every point on any point on the line. I am creating every point on any point on the line. What does it mean? That's what is the symmetric form. We will be writing x comma y is equal to x1 plus or minus r cos theta, y1 plus or minus r sin theta means it represents every point on any point on the line. So I am creating every point at any point on the line means I am writing the general point. What is the general point? Minus 5, plus R1 cos theta, plus or minus will be there, of course. I'm taking only plus on the upper side. Minus 4 plus R1 sin theta. B belongs to 1. This point B belongs to line equation 1 and hence it must satisfy. It must satisfy. Let us substitute. This is minus 5 plus R1 cos theta plus 3 into minus 4 plus R2 sin theta plus 2 equal to 0, from which I need R1. From which I need R1. After working out this, you will be automatically understanding what is AC and what is AD. That means R2 and R3. Now, what is that you get here? R1 into cos theta plus 3 sin theta. Okay, R1 into cos theta plus 3 sin theta. This is minus 12 minus 5 minus 17. Minus 17 plus 2. Bring it to other side, 15. Now you have got 15 by R1 is equal to cos theta plus 3 sin theta, please. Just check it out. Just check it out. 15 by R1 means 15 by AB we have got. Then obviously the second one must be 10 by R2. Second one must be 10 by R2. Let us verify that. Let us verify that. In place of R1, R2 comes for second equation. In place of R1, R2 comes for the second equation. You have to substitute in this one now. You have to substitute in this one. Now, what is that? In the similar manner. Similarly, I am writing directly R2 into, if you substitute this here, 2 cos theta. If you substitute this here, sin theta is equal to, let us count, 2 into minus 5, minus 10. Minus 10 plus 4, minus 6. Minus 6, minus 4, minus 10 is equal to 10. Implies 10 by R2 is equal to 2 cos theta plus sin theta. That's what it is. That's what it is. Now similarly, what is that we can write? R3 into, substitute this here, R3 into cos theta, and this one minus sin theta is equal to, this one is minus 5 minus 5 minus 10, minus 10 plus 4 minus 6 is equal to 6. So implies 6 by R3 is equal to, 6 by R3 is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. We must appreciate the thinking of the problem setter, question setter, how he framed this question. We must appreciate him. Now we have got 3 equations here, 15 by R1, 10 by R2, 6 by R3. Now these are to be substituted here. This whole square, this plus this whole square is equal to this square. Therefore, substituting in 4. Substituting in 4, I'm doing it here. Okay, no problem. In 4 implies square of this, cos square theta, square of this, 4 cos square theta, square of this, cos square theta, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 cos square theta. Square of this, 9 sin square theta, plus sin square theta, 10 sin square theta, plus sin square theta, plus 11 sin square theta. Now this is 6 sin theta cos theta. This is 4 sin theta cos theta. 10. 10 minus 2 sin theta cos theta. 8. is equal to 0. Now, divide throughout with cos square theta. 11 tan square theta plus 8 tan theta plus 6 is equal to 0. No, we have added this, but here it is equal to is there. Is equal to is there. Okay, so let me do it again. In 4, is equal to is there. Just see that. Adding these two, cos square theta plus 4 cos square theta, 5 cos square theta is equal to cos square theta. This becomes 4 cos square theta. And adding this 9 plus 1, 10 sin square theta minus sin square theta. That means 8 sin square theta. And it is 6 sin theta cos theta, 4 sin theta cos theta, 10 sin theta cos theta, and it is plus 2. Is equal to 0, please. Is equal to 0. Now divide throughout with cos square theta, then you will get 8 tan square theta. Divide with 4, please. Divide with 4 cos square theta. Divide with 4 cos square theta. You will get 2 tan square theta plus this one 3 sin theta cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Is it correct? Just check it out. 2 tan square theta plus 3 sin theta, 3 tan theta plus 1 equal to 0. These are the factors. 2 tan theta into tan theta, 2 tan square theta. So what are the factors here? 2 tan square theta plus 2 tan theta. 2 tan square theta plus 2 tan theta. These must be the factors. Just check it out. This is plus 1. 2 tan theta plus 3 tan 2 tan square theta. So which implies that tan theta is equal to minus 1 by 2 or minus 1. So theta, you got tan theta means m is in this case. Therefore m is equal to minus 1 by 2 or minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 or minus 1. Therefore the line equation, numerator x, denominator y, substitute the point, minus 5 minus 8. Minus 5 minus 8 minus 13 plus 13 equal to 0. Or it can also be this one, x plus y is equal to minus 9x plus y plus 9 equal to 0. This is what the question is. This is what the question is. So this is little complicated to understand. It is little complicated to understand the question itself. So we have got this through the symmetric form. We have got this through the symmetric form. I think it must be an advanced level question because the length of the question, you can see there is no short form for this. There is no short form to do this problem. Okay. Now let us go through the remaining questions now. Let us go to the remaining questions. Think the question, we have got the answer to be x plus 2y plus 13 equal to 0. But there, the question, the answer is not there. None of this is there. None of this is there. Let us check it again once, please. Let us check it again once, because the answer is not present. There may be some simplification mistakes. First of all, we have to check the lines x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0, 2x plus y plus 4 equal to 0, x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. And the point is given to be minus 5 minus 4. Let me check once the points there. Let me check the points there, that is point is minus 5 minus 4, x plus 3y plus 2, and 2x plus y plus 4, and x minus y minus 5. They are correct. They are correct. Let me check. We have taken this distance as r1, this as r2, this as r3, and the point we have written to be minus 5 plus r1 cos theta minus 4 plus r2 cos r1 only. This is also r1. r1 cos theta, r1 sin theta. Now if you substitute this point in this one, then it is minus 5 plus r1 cos theta plus 3 into minus 4 plus r1 sin theta. This is r1 only. Now if you take r1 common here, cos theta plus 3 sin theta, and it is minus 5 minus 12 minus 17 plus 2 is equal to 15. So 15 by r1 is cos theta plus 3 sin theta. That's perfectly right. Now coming to the second one. In this place you will get r2. This is 2 cos theta you will get. That's correct. 2 cos theta. This is plus sin theta. That's also correct. Now this is 2 into minus 5 minus 10 minus 4 minus 14 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 10 by r2 is equal to 2 cos theta plus sin theta. That's also right. Now coming to this. This is r1 r3 into cos theta. This one cos theta, r3 into cos theta. And this is minus sin theta. Here if you substitute, that becomes minus sin theta. Now this is minus 5 plus 4 minus 5 plus 4 minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 6. So 6 by r3 is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. Now let us straight out. Squaring and adding these two. Squaring and adding these two. 4 cos square theta plus cos square theta. 5 cos square theta is equal to cos square theta. 4 cos square theta, that's correct only. 9 sin square theta plus sin square theta. 10 sin square theta. 10 sin square theta minus sin square theta. This is 9. 9 sin square theta. So there we have mistaken. Now this is plus 6 sin theta cos theta. This is plus 4 sin theta cos of 10 sin theta cos theta plus 2 sin theta. This is correct. This is correct. Now nothing can be divided here. Now in this case what happens? It becomes, let us divide now with cos square theta, then it is 9 tan square theta plus 12 tan theta plus 4 equal to 0. You can see that this is a perfect square. 3 tan theta plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. Implies your tan theta is minus 2 by 3. Your tan theta is minus 2 by 3 and hence the line is unique line you will get. Minus 2 by 3. Therefore, line is 2x plus 3y is equal to substitute. Minus 10 minus 12. This is minus 10 minus 12 minus 22 plus 22 is equal to 0. This should be the answer. 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y plus 22 is equal to 0 must be the answer. Let us check it out. Let us check it out now. First option. We have got that to be first option, 2x plus 3y plus 22 equal to 0. So, that much conceptual is the problem. That much conceptual is the problem here. First of all, understanding the question itself difficult, and after understanding the question, applying or getting the idea of applying the symmetric form is not also that easy. That is E. Okay. So let us see that. So the option here for this one is A. Because the problem is lengthy, I did it on the board. Because the problem is lengthy, I did it on the board. Now, coming to the next part of it. Coming to the next part of it. So, the next one. Akshir Sagar, that method is not wrong. The simplification I did wrong. Akshir Sagar, the method is perfectly right. But I did the simplification wrong. Okay. Let us see where we stopped. Here we stop. For this only I explained. For this only I explained the symmetric form. For this only I explained symmetric form. Okay. Now, this let me finish the questions that are related to symmetric form so that you will also be comfortable. I think I have one more such question. Let me check it out. One moment, please. Let me check it out. Similar question to that one. This is this one. 29, please. 29. Please see that. If P 1 plus T by root 2 comma 2 plus T by root 2 be any point on a line, then the range of the values of T for which the point P lies between the parallel lines. Shisagar, did you try the previous question, yesterday's question? The question what I explained just now. So, let us see that now. These are the two parallel lines given. These are the two parallel lines given. Okay. One line is, let me say, 2x plus y. I'll take more space for this one. One line is 2x plus 4y plus 15, and another line is x plus 2y is equal to 1. And what are the lines here? What are the lines here? Let me write this line also as 2x plus 4y minus 2 equal to 0. And this line is 2x plus 4y minus 15 equal to 0. These are the two lines given, please. Now, what is the question? A point P is given, which is of course given in the symmetric form only. A point P is given, which is given of course in the symmetric form only. So, in the symmetric form, no issues, Kshirsagar, but do you understand my explanation for that question? Do you understand the explanation what I gave you for that question? Please respond. Now, I'll take the line, the point P here, the point P. Interesting question. This is the point P. P is 1 plus t by root 2. Comma 2 plus t by root 2. What he's saying is, for what values of t, that's good. That's good. You understand that, no? If not, just replay the video and see, you will understand it. So, what values of t, this point P always lies in between these two lines. That's what the question is. That's what the question is. See carefully. This point must lie in between these two. So, for example, I will take a line through P like this. Let me take. Then in that case, this point P, if some value to t is given, this point P may lie between these lines or above the line or below the line. But he doesn't want those values of t. He doesn't want those values of t which makes this point P to lie above the line or below the line. This is what you have to understand. This is what you have to understand. Now, see, if you see this line, the point P goes out if it is below this. This point P goes out if this is above this. So what is to be done? If you substitute P in this one, it should be greater than 0. If you substitute P in this one, it should be less than 0 to lie inside. So let us check it out. Here, let me say this as L1. Let me say this as L2. Here, your L1 at P should be greater than 0. Above that. And your L2 at P should be less than 0 because it must lie below the line, and here it must lie above the line. It must lie below the line and it must lie above the line. So, based on that only, I have taken one greater than 0, other one less than 0. Let us substitute now. Okay, so this one. L1 at P. This one L1, no? 2 into 1 plus C by root 2 plus 4 into 2 plus T by root 2 minus 2 must be greater than 0. That means it should be greater than 2. Implies this is 2t by root 2, this is 4t by root 2, this is 6t by root 2. Should be greater than minus 6, this is 8, 2 to getting cancelled, minus 8 implies that your t must be greater than 2 gets cancelled 3 times, this is 4 times, minus 4 root 2 divided by 3. This one, t is greater than, that's what we have got. And here also you have the same option. So that is the reason why you have to go for the other one also. What is the other one here? 2 into same. 2 into 1 plus t by root 2 plus 4 into 2 plus t by root 2 should be less than 0 here, means less than 15. Implies it is also 2t by root 2, 4t by root 2, 6t by root 2. And it is 2 plus 8, 10. Bring it to other side. 15 minus 10 is 5, which implies your t is less than 5 root 2 by 6. Check the answer, please. T is greater than minus 4 root 2 by 3. T is less than 5 root 2 by 6. This is the answer. This is also not that much easy to get the idea. This is not also that much easy to get the idea. That is option A. Shivsagar is saying, that's good. That's good. Shivsagar, are you from Aurangabad? Yes. So first option is the answer. So this question is also very much related to the symmetric form of the straight line only. Without that, you cannot solve this problem. Okay. Let's move on to the question which is continued there. That is the symmetric form we have finished. Now this 22 only the symmetric form. On the basis of symmetric form we did almost 3 to 4 problems. That's important model. That is the reason why I have taken more models on that one. Next 24 please. The points A13, C51 are the opposite vertices of a rectangle. The equation of the line passing through other two vertices of gradient 2 is rectangle. This is a rectangle. And what are the points given? A. First point is 1, 3. And the other one is, Acha, you are Priyadarshini, okay. Kshir Sagar, okay, I misunderstood. Priyadarshini, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Good, you are responding good in the doubts group also, and you are asking more doubts in the polymath group. I appreciate. Let us expect good rank for you in the coming examination. So C51. So these are the opposite vertices of the rectangle. The equation of the line passing through other two vertices of gradient 2. Other two vertices we need. Other two vertices. So these are the other two vertices. We need this line equation. Let it be the line, the point be B, and this is D. We need the line equation of BD. And you know, the diagonals in a rectangle or a parallelogram or a square or a rhombus, they bisect each other. They bisect each other. So here, bisect each other means midpoint of AC is midpoint of BD. So let me find out the midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC is nothing but 3, 2. What is the gradient of this? Gradient means slope here. M is equal to 2. Short form 2 by 1. Line is 2x minus y is equal to 3 to 6 minus 2, 4. So answer is 2x minus y is equal to 4. Option B. Okay. Now, this is a simple question. Everyone can do that. Let me move to the next question. Next question is equation of one of the sides of an isosceles right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 3x plus 4y is equal to 4 and the opposite vertex of the hypotenuse is 2, 2. Opposite vertex of the hypotenuse is 2, 2. So, let us draw the triangle. This is saying right angle isosceles triangle. Let me take more space here. This is one side. This is equal side to that one because isosceles. And this is the hypotenuse. Okay, now the vertex which is opposite to the hypotenuse is given to me. The vertex which is opposite to the hypotenuse is given to me. Let me say A2, 2. This is BC. What is that we need here? We need equation one of the sides. Equation one of the sides. Now, this is nothing but 90 degrees. And obviously, because it is an isosceles triangle, this becomes 45. And this is also 45. Now what is the line equation? 3x plus 4y is equal to 4. Hypotenuse equation. Now this is 45, it's a slope, we don't know, let it be some m. Now if this slope is m and what is tan 45 here, just apply tan theta formula. Tan 45 degrees is equal to m1, put modulus because you will get two sides here. m1 minus m2 minus of minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 divided by 1 plus m1 m2 1 plus m into minus 3 by 4. Let us simplify this now to get the value of m. After getting the value of m, you can write the equation. Okay, now that is, let me write that 4 minus 3m is equal to plus or minus, I'm removing the modulus, 4m plus 3. Tan 45 is 1. Take plus and write the slope. If you take plus 4m plus 3m, 7m. 7m is equal to, it is 4 minus 3, 1. M is 1 by 7. Or m is equal to, if you take minus 4m, this is m is equal to, this is minus 7 because they are mutually perpendicular. Obviously it happens. The product of these two is minus 1 because it is 90 degrees here. Now, side equation. One of the sides equation. Numerator x, denominator y. Because you have plus there, put minus here and substitute the point. What is the point? 2 minus 14. 2 minus 14 minus 12. Similarly, here also, or other side. Numerator 7x. Denominator 1y. Minus is there, put plus, substitute the point, 7 into 2, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, done please, which is the answer, x minus 7y plus 12 equal to 0, first option, I did both the sides, we have got both the sides there, we have got both the sides, okay, now, next question, please. Equation of the line which passes through the point minus 4, 3 and the portion of the line intercepted between the axis is divided internally in the ratio 5:3 by this point is. So, let me do that. That is, let me draw first x-axis and y-axis so that you'll better understand it. This is x-axis and y-axis. Or what he's saying is the equation of the line passing through minus 4, 3. Of course, minus 4, 3 lies this side. Let me draw then the exact diagram, please. Exact diagram. Just a moment. Just a moment, please. This is x-axis. And this is y-axis. Okay. Now, there is a point minus 4, 3 here. The portion of the line intercepted with the axis is divided internally in the ratio 5:3. The line is, let me write, this is the line, and the point is going to be minus 4, 3, somewhere here. This is P, let me say, minus 4, 3. This is the origin here. P minus 4, 3. And that is the origin there. And it is given that it is divided by this P in the ratio 5:3. Let me place the point P here, because the ratio is 5:3. Five is to 3. This is 5, this is 3. Now let me write the points. The first point on x-axis, we don't know. Let it be some a comma 0. We don't know this point. Let it be 0 comma b. Apply the ratio formula. 5 into 0 plus 3 into a. 5 into 0 plus 3 into a, please. Section formula, if you apply 3a by 8, p is equal to 3a by 8. The point is already given, but we are finding the point in such a way that the point is not given using the ratio formula. This is 5b, comma 5b divided by 8 is equal to p, please. What is p? Minus 4 comma 3. Implies a comma b, which is x and y intercepts, is nothing but minus 32 by 3 comma 24 by 5. So therefore the line is x divided by minus 32 by 3 plus y divided by 24 by 5 is equal to 1, please. Do you simplify and tell me the option, please? Pridarshini? Do you tell me the option? Pridarshini, you asked me to post that PDF in yesterday's class. I did not do that. If you really want, I'll do that. Option C, na? Option C. Okay. That is to be simplified. And you can even verify the options also. You can also verify the options, whether it is correct or not. This is minus 36, minus 60, minus 96 plus 96, 0. Similarly, if you have double answer, then there will be trouble. There will be trouble. If only one answer is there, you can choose it comfortably. I have shown you the method. I have shown you the method, please. Let's go to the next question. 27. A line 4x plus y is equal to 1 passes through the point A 2 minus 1, means the line BC, whose equation is 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0 at the point B. The equation of the line AC, so that AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Because today is Sunday, everyone is taking rest. But nowadays, every day is a Sunday. Every day is a Sunday till May 3rd. But still the habit of taking rest on Sunday made the students not to attend the class here. Anyway, no problem, no issues. Now this is the line 4x plus y is equal to 1 passes to the point A minus 2, 7. Let me draw the diagram, please. Let me draw the diagram. This is A. The line which passes through A and it meets at B. And let me name this as AC. Okay. Now this is A. What is A given? 2 minus 7, please. 2 minus 7. What is B given? I don't think B is not given. Yes. I think B not given. Yes, B is not given there. But the BC equation is given. 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. This is C. That is C. Now what is AB line equation? This is 4x plus y is equal to 1. A line 4x plus y is equal to 1 passes through the point A of 2 minus 7. This line is 4x plus y is equal to 1. Now we need this equation. Line equation of AC such that AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC means it is a isosceles triangle. If this is theta, this is also theta. Find out this tan theta. And here also tan theta, but its slope is not known to us. Let the slope of this be m. Let us apply tan theta formula to this, and let us apply tan theta to this also, and thereby you will get. Yes, I'll post that in the group, Priyadarshini. I'll post that in the group. Because AB is equal to AC given, this is theta, this is theta. Now let me find out tan theta here. Tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2. Its slope is minus 4. Minus m2, its slope is 3 by 4. m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. 1 plus minus 4 into 3 by 4. Okay? That is, we have applied the angle formula to the lines AB and BC. Now let us apply the angle formula for AC and BC. Let us write the modulus here because we don't know whether it is positive or negative. Modulus of m1, that is m, minus m2 minus 3 by 4 by 1 plus m1 m2 m into 3 by 4. This is what we did. Both are tan theta. That is why I applied the tan theta formula for both of them. That is why I applied tan theta formula for both of them. Okay. Now let us simplify this. The next part of it. This is minus 19 by 4. It is by minus 11. Correct now? Minus 19 by minus 11 is equal to modulus of 4m minus 3 4m minus 3 divided by, this one is 4 plus 3m. Now, if you simplify this, you have to write plus or minus there. 19 into 4 plus 3m is equal to plus or minus 11 into 4m minus 3. Let us simplify this to get the value of m, and whatever the answer we get, we can see in the options the slope must be minus 52 by 89. Minus 52 by 89, minus 52 by 89, minus 89 by 52. So it is in terms of 89 and 52. Let us check it out. This is 19 threes, please. 19 threes, 57. 57 minus 44. If you take plus, this is 44m. This is 57m minus 44m is equal to minus 33 minus 19 fours 76. I don't think you'll get m from this one. Or here if you take minus, it is 57m. If you take minus, this is minus 44m becomes plus 44m. Is equal to I have taken minus there. So minus of minus 11 into minus 3, 33. And it is minus 76. What is its value? None of them is satisfying there. None of them is satisfying. This is 7 plus 6. It is 13m. Is equal to minus 109. Minus 109. Or this is 61 101 is equal to, it is 6 minus 3, 3, 7 minus 3, 4, so minus 43. None of the answers is getting satisfied. None of the answers is getting satisfied. The method is perfectly right. Ravi sir is saying check calculation. 4x plus y is equal to 1 passes through the point A2 minus 7. That is 4x plus y is equal to 1. Meets the line BC, whose equation is 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0 at B. That is correct. BC line equation written, and the equation to the line AC, so that AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC means it's a isosceles triangle. I have taken the angle opposite to AB is theta, opposite to AC must also be theta because they are equal. Now tan theta is, the slope is minus 4 here, m1. The slope is 3 by 4 here, m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. This is correct already. Then now if you take LCM, no, this is minus 16 minus 3 minus 19. Four m minus 3, it is 4 plus 3m. LHS, huh? LHS you are saying, Ravi sir? LHS, I think it is minus 16 minus 9 minus 19 by 1 plus m1 into m2. That is option A is satisfied, that's okay. That's what I'm going to say. Only option A will be satisfied and hence that will be the answer. But if you get double answer, the concept also you must be understanding. Check it out please once. That means your slope must be minus 52 by 89. Your slope must be minus 52 by 89. But nowhere you are getting the term there. Slope is m, modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, 4m minus 3. This is 4 plus 3, yeah, that's perfectly right. And it is minus 19. Oh, okay. This is 4 minus 12. This is minus 8, please. You're right, Ravi sir. You're right. This is minus 8. So this becomes 8 now. This becomes 8, please. Then thereby it becomes 57m minus 32m. I don't think that will also will not be satisfied. 32m. And here it is minus 24 minus 76. I don't think this will be satisfying. We have to go for the second one then. 57m and it is plus 32. You got it. It is 89 and it is minus 24. You are taking minus now, plus 24. Minus. So your answer should be the second one according to the options. Two answers can be given. If it is advanced question, then you may get two answers. So here it is 89 m and it is 52. It is minus 52 by 89 and hence your answer is this one 52x plus 89 by plus 519. Thank you Ravi sir for mentioning LHS here. The simplification is in LHS only. Wrong, we did wrong here. So minus 52 by 89 is the slope and that slope is there only for two lines instead of writing the line equation, after getting this, options are either A and B, then substitute the point in the first option, it only satisfies, it will not be satisfied, and hence the answer is A. It's clear, Priyadarshini. That's through verification also it can be done. Through verification also it can be done. Next question please. This is also simple I think. A minus 1, 1, B 5, 3 are opposite vertices of a square in xy plane. The equation of the other diagonal not passing through area of the square is given by. Square please. This is a square. This is A, B, C, D. What is the data given? A is minus 1, 1. Or opposite verts of the square in the xy plane. Opposite vertices, please. Then this is C. This is B. Let me say this as C. Now what is B? What is B? Phi 3. What is that given? The equation of the other diagonal not passing through AB. We need this one. We need this line, please. We need this line. Now, this is also very simple because it is a square. It is a square. The midpoint of AB lies on CD. It will be midpoint of CD also. It will be midpoint of CD also. So what is midpoint of what is midpoint of AB? Can you try that? Ridarshini, please try that. Midpoint, please. Two comma 2. Yes, you can verify midpoint in the option if you have single answer. This is 2 minus 6 plus 4. First option satisfied. This is 4 minus 2. 2 plus 3. Not satisfied. And it is y plus 3x. This is 2 plus 6. 8 minus 8. This is also satisfying. So you got two answers here. You got two answers. Here also 2 plus 4. This is not satisfying. So answer must be either A or C. Answer must be either A or C. So in this case, we have to work out. We have to work out. So we need the diagonal CD. Angle between them, as you know, is always 90 degrees. Is always 90 degrees. What is slope of CD? Is equal to minus 1 divided by slope of AB. So minus 1 divided by, what is slope of AB? 3 minus 1, 2, 2 by 6. It is minus 3 by 1. Line equation 3x plus y is equal to, substitute the point, 6 plus 2, 8. So this is the answer. C is the answer. Yeah, option A and C both are satisfied by the verification, Priyadarshini. That is why, in this case, you have to work out the problem. See, generally the verification is giving you single answer. Without any hesitation, you can go for the answer. But when it is giving double answer, it is inevitable that you have to go for the method. You have to go for the method. Okay, now the next question. I did it. 29th, I did it. This is also an important question based on the locus. This is also an important question based on the locus. If a variable line drawn through the point of intersection of straight lines x by alpha plus y by beta is equal to 1 and x by beta plus y by alpha is equal to 1 meets the coordinate axis in A and B, then the locus of the midpoint of AB, then the locus of the midpoint of AB is. Let us do that. Understand the question, please. Understand the question. A variable line is passing through the intersection of 2 points. Meets the coordinate axis in A and B. This is x-axis, let me say. This is y-axis. Now, there are two lines given. There are two lines given. This is one line. This is one line. And let me say this is another line. These are the two lines. Let me change a little. Let me change a little, please. This is one line. This is another line. For the construction's sake, I have changed it. And it is the point of intersection of these two lines P, through which our variable line is passing through. Through which our variable line is passing through. The variable line is passing through this in this way. This is a variable line. How many such lines will be there? Many will be there. That's right. Point of intersection is correct. Through the point of intersection, many lines will be passing through. Now we need the locus of point of intersection. The locus of the midpoint. The locus of the midpoint, please. Let me take the midpoint of this as P x naught comma y naught. Now when this midpoint is x naught comma y naught, obviously the x-intercept becomes 2x naught and y-intercept becomes, this is A please, this is A, this is B. Y-intercept becomes 0 comma 2y naught. Now the line equation becomes, line equation AB is, line equation AB is, intercept is known to us, x by 2x naught plus y by 2y naught is equal to 1, but it passes through some other point. It passes through some other point. Let me name it. Let me name it some other point A. The drivers are already said. The point of intersection is, it is given in terms of alpha, no? Alpha, no? Point of intersection. Is equal to, solve it, you will understand please. Solve it in the cross multiplication method, then you will get the point of intersection of these two as alpha beta by alpha plus beta, comma alpha beta by alpha plus beta. So this line passes through this point. Therefore, substitute that please. Alpha beta, take LCM. It is 4x naught y naught, and you will get 2x x naught, 2x y naught, and it is 2 x naught y is equal to 2x naught y naught. What is LCM here? 2x naught y naught. Okay, you will not get 2 there. Okay, you'll not get the 2 there. Now substitute the point to simplify and you will get the answer. Instead of xy, write this. So, if you write this is alpha, instead of x we are writing this. Alpha beta y by alpha plus beta. This is also alpha beta x by alpha plus beta. So if we take alpha beta common, we'll be getting alpha beta into x plus y is equal to 2xy into alpha plus beta is the locus. Check the option please. Alpha beta into x plus y is equal to xy into alpha plus beta. Option B is the answer. Okay. This locus problem generally creates some confusion. So better always whenever you deal with locus problems, better by taking the point whose locus is to be find out. Very important point. Better you start doing the problem by taking the point which is given after the locus of, as x naught y naught. As x naught y naught, whatever the locus problem it is uniformly, you can understand that in the problem, whatever the point is given after the locus of, in the problem, whatever the point is given after the locus of, take it as x naught y naught. Take it as x naught y naught. That's what I did. And when I take the midpoint as x naught y naught, obviously the x-intercept becomes 2x naught, y-intercept becomes 2y naught because it is a midpoint. Then line equation written and point of intersection is find out. This is the point of intersection and we substituted this point of intersection in the line equation because this line always passes to the point of intersection. By simplifying that, you got the locus. Let's go to the next problem. A vertex of equilateral triangle is 2, 3. Then the equation of the opposite side is x plus y is equal to 2. Then the equation of one side from rest of the two. You can comfortably do that. Vertex of the right angle triangle. Let me draw the right angle triangle. Equilateral triangle, please. Vertex of equilateral triangle. Sorry. The vertex of the equilateral triangle. Let it be A 2, 3. And the equation of opposite side is x plus y is equal to 2. Then the equation of one side from the rest of them. You have to write the equation of either AB or AC. Now, it is very clear that this angle is 60 degrees in an equilateral triangle. Let this slope be m. Because we have to find out the equation of AB now. So, write tan 60. Because it is an acute angle, you have to write modulus m1 minus m2. What is m1 there? We have taken it to be m there. So, m2 is slope is minus 1. m1 minus m2 means it will become m plus 1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2 m into minus 1. So, minus m Okay, now let us write tan 60 please. Tan 60 value everyone knows it is root 3. So root 3 is equal to, implies root 3 is equal to, let me write directly, cross multiplying that. Here also if you get single correct answer in the verification, you can comfortably proceed for that. Root 3 into 1 minus m is equal to plus or minus m plus 1. Ridashni, are you there? So minus root 3m, let us take plus minus m, or bring that to other side, m into root 3 plus 1 is equal to root 3 minus 1. And after rationalization, you will get this slope as root 3 minus 1 whole square. It is 2 minus root 2 root 3, no? 2 minus root 3 you will get. 2 minus root 3 you will get. So 2 minus root 3 by 1 slope. So the line is, or AB or AC, whatever, AB is numerator x, 2 minus root 3 into x, denominator y, put a minus in between, this is plus, is equal to, substitute the point 2, 3 here, 2 minus root 3 into 2, 3 point please, 2 minus y minus 3. Check the answer now. Yes, Pridarshini, you can do that problem. 2 minus root 3 into, he has taken the slope directly and he wrote it directly, please. Option B. He did not simplify that. He did not simplify that. Y minus 3 is equal to, y minus 3 is equal to 2 minus root 3 into x minus 2. 2 minus root 3 is the slope here. And the point is 2, 3. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Straight answer. Straight answer, please. Okay. Let's go through the next question. Equation of two straight lines passing through the point 3, 2 and making an angle 45 degrees with a line x minus 2y is equal to 3. X minus 2y is equal to 3. It's also a direct question. It's also a direct question. Comfortably we can do that. What is the data given? A line is there. Equation of two straight lines passing to the point 3, 2 and making an angle 45 degrees with a line. The line is there, x minus 2y is equal to 3. The line is given to be x minus 2y is equal to 3. And you have to find out the equation of that line which makes an angle 45 degrees with this line, 45 degrees with the line, and it is given to be passing through the point 3, 2. This is 3, 2 here. We need that line equation which makes an angle 45 degrees. This is a point. This angle is 45 degrees. And check the answers. You can check the answers. If 3, 2 is satisfying, two lines, then that will be the answer, but this will not be satisfying. This will not also be satisfying. This will be 3, 3, 9 minus 2, 7 minus 2. This is satisfying. This is 3 plus 6, 9 minus 2. This is satisfying. So this should be the answer. B should be the answer. B should be the answer. Let me do that. This is M. Now apply tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 is nothing but 1. I am writing that directly. 1 is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2. The slope is 1 by 2 there. m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, now let us simplify that. 2 plus m is equal to plus or minus 2m minus 1. Take plus and write m. I am writing directly m. 2m minus m, and it is minus 1 brought this side. 3, m is equal to 3 is 1 slope. Or if you take minus now, bring this to the other side, 3m. 3m is equal to 1 minus 2, minus 1. So minus 1 by 3. The slope is 3 here. Slope is minus 1 by 3 here. And if you want the line equation, it is 3x minus y is equal to, substitute the point, 3 into 3, 9 minus 2, 7. And it is x plus 3y is equal to, substitute the point, 3 plus 6, 9 is equal to 9. So the answer is B. And of course, through verification, you can do that comfortably if double answer is not existing. If you check the double answer here, 3 plus 6, no, there is no double answer, only one answer is there. But of course, none of this is also there. Yeah, that's right, option B, you answered it. Now, nowadays, none of these is not there in any examination. None of these should not be given. But the past 6-7 years, according to the court ruling, it is removed. It is removed. There should be some answer given, but none of this should not be there, according to the court ruling. So you don't find none of this in the objective questions nowadays. Let us go through the next question, 33. One diagonal of a square is along the line 8x minus 15y is equal to 0. That means it passes through the origin there. And one of its vertex is 1, 2. Then the equation of the sides of the square passing through this vertex are. See that please. Let me write that. This is x-axis, y-axis. It is clear that one of the diagonal is passing to origin because there is no constant there. No constant. And one of its vertex is given to be 1, 2. Whether this 1, 2 is satisfying this or not? No. 1, 2 is not satisfying this, and hence this point will not be lying on this diagonal. So x y is equal to 8 by 15x. Y is equal to 8 by 15x. Let me write the line now. This is one diagonal. Let me say this as one point is given to be 1, 2. This is the diagonal. because this x and y axis there is no use at all for us. What I feel, let us remove them. Let me write directly the square. Let me write square directly, please. Now, this is a diagonal. Diagonal, one of the diagonal is given. One of the diagonal is given. Which is the diagonal here? Let me say this diagonal is given to be 8x minus 15y is equal to 0. This is 8x minus 15y is equal to 0. And one vertex is 1, 2. Let me say A, B, C, D. Now this vertex is 1, 2. Okay, now then the equation of the sides of the square passing through this vertex. We need AB and BC. We need AB and BC here. And it is very clear that in a square, the AC makes an angle 45 degrees with AB because it is a square. The total angle is 90. Now this slope we don't know, let it be M. And this is tan 45. Again apply tan 45 please. Again apply tan 45. The same method now. The same method. That is tan 45 is equal to modulus of tan 45 is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. What is m1 here? M only. What is m2 here? Slope of this 8 by 15 by 1 plus m1 m2. 1 plus m into 8 by 15. Modulus of this. Option C, huh? You said the answer. Okay. You verified or did it? You verified or did the problem, Pridarshini? 15 plus 8m is equal to plus or minus 15m minus 8. Then you will get two answers for m here. This is 15m minus 8m. It is 7m. And this is minus 8 brought this size 23 by 7. So slope 23 by 7 is there for this. And here also you have. Now the next slope gives you the answer. Take minus here. Then 23m. 23m is equal to 8 minus 15. 8 minus 15 is minus 7. So minus 7 by 23 because mutually perpendicular to each other. Obviously it should be. This is 23 by 7, this is minus 7 by 23. And this is also minus 7 by 23. And he has given the slopes the same for these two. And verify the point otherwise. 23x. We have reached the end point here. 23x minus 7y. Substitute the point here. This is 23 minus 14 is nothing but 9. Whichever 9 is there is equal to 9. This is the answer, option C. Solved, huh? Very good. You solved the problem. It is very good, Pridarshini. Now, let us go to the next one. This is also a good question. This is also a good question. The parallelism condition for two straight lines, one of which is specified by the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and the other being represented parametrically by x is equal to alpha t plus beta, y is equal to gamma t plus delta. Gamma t plus delta. That means the parallel, they must be parallel. What is the condition for parallel lines? Condition for parallel lines, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2 is the condition for parallel lines. You know that. Let us do that. But the second equation is not directly given. That's what the problem here. Now let me make it. Second line, I will write it like this. X minus beta by alpha is equal to t. And here also y minus delta by gamma is also t. Now you have to eliminate t because t is the parameter there. Eliminate t. How to eliminate t? Equate these two, that's it. X gamma minus beta gamma, I am writing directly, minus alpha y is equal to or minus beta gamma and it is plus alpha delta is equal to 0. Just check it out please. Gamma x minus beta gamma minus alpha y plus alpha delta equal to 0 is same as, is parallel to, not same, is parallel to which line please? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now you can get the condition. You can get the condition now. By applying the condition what I wrote there, you can get the condition. What is it? X coefficient A by gamma y coefficient b by minus alpha which implies A alpha plus B gamma is equal to 0. Option C please. Option C. Because it is not equal to C1 by C2, we don't take this. We don't take this. There is no use at all by taking that. If this happens, they will be parallel. If this happens, they will be parallel. That's it. Okay. Next, please. If ABC are in harmonic progression, then the straight line xy plus y by b plus 1 by c is equal to 0 always passes through a fixed point. Then that point is, it is nothing but the set of concurrent lines or family of lines. If ABC are in harmonic progression, what is the condition? If ABC are in harmonic progression, what is the condition? The condition is 2 by b is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c. Now, this is a condition given. Now, this straight line, one in the line, substitute. Let us replace 1 by c, x by a plus y by b. Instead of 1 by c, write 2 by b minus 1 by a is equal to 0. Yeah. So take 1 by a common. X minus 1. Take 1 by b common. Y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of L1 lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0. It is in the form of lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0. That is family of lines, please. Family of lines. Now it is family of lines, then the common point of intersection for all this is got by solving these two. It is nothing but 1 comma minus 2. X minus 1 equal to 0, y plus 2 equal to 0. 1 comma minus 2 is the answer. So option C. Yeah, you're right. You answered it. Option C, please. Simple question, but based on the set of concurrent lines, you may or may not be getting the idea immediately. So you must take care of such questions. Next. A point moves so that the square of its distance from the point 3 minus 2 is numerically equal to its distance from the line 5x minus 12y is equal to 30. Then the equal to the locus of the point. Let the point be P xy. Its distance, square of its distance from 3 comma minus 2 is nothing but x minus 3 whole square. It is given plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to its perpendicular distance from the origin, from this line. Perpendicular distance formula, modulus of 5x, modulus of 5x minus 12y minus 13 divided by 13, please. Divided by 13. Root of a square plus b square. Option C, you answered it. Okay, that's good then. That's good. Let me write that. 13x square minus 25y square minus 12x square. And it is 13y square 13y square numerically equal its distance from the line. 13y square, it is 144y square. Okay. This is 144 minus y square. I think you must get the common terms there. Simplification, you must get the common terms. 13 into x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 4y plus 4 is equal to, okay, there is no square for this. Perpendicular distance, no, plus or minus 5x minus 12y minus 30. Then you have, I don't think, what is the answer you said? Option C, na? 13x square plus 13y square If you take plus here, this is minus 6x minus 5x minus 11x. But he gave minus 83x there in the option A. If you take minus here, why should we take minus? Because it is a distance here. 13, okay. 13 into 6 here. 13 into 6 is minus 78. Minus 78 minus 5x. Minus 78 minus 5x. Minus 83x. So your answer wrong, Priyadarshini. It should be option C. Yeah, you wrote that. So minus 83x plus 64y. Direct question only, but the numbers are bigger. That is why it takes some time. So option A, please. Option A. Okay. Next. This we did it already. This is based on the symmetric form. We did it. I gave you a common formula also for this one. Modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a cos theta plus b sin theta. This is the formula I gave you. A point equidistant from the lines 4x plus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0, 5x minus 12y plus 26 equal to 0, 7x plus 24y minus 50 equal to 0. The point, this is the concept why I have taken this. Which point in a triangle, is equidistant? You said something, Priyadarshini? Sir, that was for previous question. Option C now. Okay. That's good. Okay. Now a point which is equidistant from from all the three sides is nothing but the circumcenter, please remember. SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. This is the perpendicular bisector, one perpendicular bisector. This is another perpendicular bisector. And this is another perpendicular bisector. If you say this as yes, this is A, this is B, this is C, SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. This is a concept to be used. Just to revise that, I have taken this problem. It is to be solved through verification. Okay. What is SA? Option A. We are verifying option A, please. We are verifying option A. The perpendicular distance from this one. This is 4 minus 3, 1 plus 10, 11, 11 by 5. 11 by 5, please. Let us check this one. 5 plus 12, 17 plus 26. 17 plus 26 is 33, 43, 43 by 13. No, it's not equal. Option A is not getting satisfied. No. Option B, please. 1, 1. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 10, 17. 17 by 5. And this one, please. 5 minus 12. It is minus 7 plus 26, 19. Correct, no? 5 minus 12 minus 7 plus 26, 19 by 13. So this is not also correct. Go over 3. C option. 10 by 5. 10 by 5. It is 2. It is 26 by 13. It is 2. It is 50 by 25. It is 2. So the answer is 0, 0. Answer is 0, 0, which is nothing but the circumcenter. If it is given in 3D also, you have to find out through verification only. 38 is circumcenter. Next. This we did it already. 39 we already did. And this is family of lines. A family of lines is given by being the parent line belonging to this family at the maximum distance from the point 1, 4. See, family of lines, how they are, like x plus y plus lambda into 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Solve these two to get the point of intersection. Solve these two. Solve. By solving this instead of minus y, you can write minus, instead of minus x equal minus 1, 1. Whether it is satisfying or not, just check it out. Minus 2, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1. No, it's not getting satisfied. 2x plus y plus lambda. So what is it? Instead of minus y, you can write x dx. So 3x plus 1 minus 1 by 3. The point of intersection instead of minus y, you can write x there. Minus 1 by 3, this is plus 1 by 3. Check it out now. Minus 2 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 3, minus 1. That's right. So this is a point. Now, what is that he's asking? This is a conceptual question, and the idea also is to be taken carefully. That is, let me draw the set of lines now. Let me draw the set of lines. These are the set of lines whose point of intersection we have just now got it, which is P. Let me say, now there is a point given outside. Let me say this is 1, 4. Not let me say, I'm naming it as some A. What he's asking is, he is asking for the maximum distance line from the point 1, 4. See this carefully. Let us see. This is distance is always to be taken perpendicular. This is distance is to be taken always perpendicular. Distance is to be taken always perpendicular. Okay, and let me draw one more line here. Let me draw one more line for the problem. For this problem, to have the clear idea, let me draw another line from A. So, if you see now, that will be the perpendicular line passing through P, will be at maximum distance. So the line which is perpendicular to AP, the line which is perpendicular to AP in this set will be the maximum distance line. Will be the maximum distance line. So slope of AP now. Slope of AP. Slope of AP is equal to 4 minus 1 by 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by 3. What is it? 11 divided by 4 is the slope. The perpendicular slope is equal to minus 4 by 11. Therefore, line 4x plus 11y is equal to, substitute the point now. Substitute the point. What is the point? Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. This is minus 4 by 3 plus 11 by 3. So, 7 by 3. Simplify this. 12x plus 33y. 12x plus 33y is equal to 7. So, option C. This is a conceptual problem, please. Maximum distance line. Maximum distance line is the perpendicular line to AP. The maximum distance line is perpendicular line to AP. This is a conceptual problem. Then what is the minimum distance line? Then what is the minimum distance line? The line which passes through both of this. That is A and B. Minimum distance means 0 there. Minimum distance means 0 there. So this is what the maximum distance question in the set of concurrent lines. Okay, now all the questions are finished here, and I'll go for some more previous questions in the next session that are discussed, that are given in the 2019 paper. Many questions are there in 2019 paper because there are 8 sets of papers, and from each of the papers I'll collect the questions and I'll answer those questions, and after that I'll move on to the next part of it, the conic sections, which consists of circles, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. That will be the next topic I'm going to take. Okay. Good night. Shubhratri. We'll be meeting in the next session.